Good morning, students. Welcome to Delhi Public School Gandhinagar art class. Myself Vaishali Thakkar. Here I going to teach you lesson about pattern drawing of class 1 in art book. So you can see here is this the introduction page. So pattern as a visual element of art. The visual element of pattern is constructed by repeating or echoing the element of an artwork to communicate a sense of balance, harmony, construct, rhythm or movement. There are two basic types of pattern in art. One pattern is a natural pattern and the second is man-made pattern. So all children, you can see in this picture that is all type of designing here like triangle, square, circle, spiral. So many design patterns we make with that particular shapes. After that, this is the page. Inside that the page you can see that a different type of design pattern is here like triangle pattern, cross hatching line pattern and circle pattern. So only what you do, lines and shapes can be combined to form a pattern. So form the following pattern and fill the color in them. So children, only first one, you do all that dotted line with pencil and then you start coloring. Which page is given here for left side, that color only you fill it. But yes, only you just take that pencil color for coloring work. And when you complete this picture with coloring, then last you do outline also. Okay, so first design you can see that triangle shape is there. So in triangle shape you do that red color, and then second triangle you do that yellow color, and inside that small circle is there, so do only light green color. So that color scheme only you apply in first line. Then after second line you can see that slanting line is there, so do only yellow and light green color shade. Okay, and after that the third line, that is circle line. So in that big circle do pink color, and inside small circle take dark blue color, and outside that background you can take that purple or light blue color. Okay, so this color scheme is okay, and then after you do outline all that lines. So this picture is done. Then after turn your page, and this is drawing about that zebra. So this is the picture about that animals. Okay, so this is the pattern of nature. So I'm talking about that two types of drawing is there. One is a man-made and second is a natural. So this is the pattern about natural pattern. So this is on page number 11. So children, now what you do here, have you ever seen a zebra? What pattern can you see on its body? Complete the color the following pictures and given the zebra its strips. Okay, so that instruction is written here about that color scheme. So only children, first one you do all dotted line with pencil, and then after you do that strip design like this as that picture is given there, and then after you do black color inside. Then that is zebra. Now children, what you are doing, you do as it is that strip pattern on that zebra's body, and then after do black color. Okay, then tail, leg, and then that is head which have that hair, that you fill only brown color. Okay, so now you complete this coloring, and then after you do outline. Okay, that is also compulsory. Anytime when you complete your coloring work, then after you need to apply that outline. It is compulsory, because when you do that outline work with your pictures, then your drawing is looking very good and visible. Okay, so that is also compulsory. After that page you can see, this is drawing on page number 12. This is about that giraffe. So here which instruction is written? Have you ever seen a giraffe? What pattern can you see on its body? Complete the color the following picture and give the giraffe its spot. So in giraffe you can see that big and small circle is there. Okay, so do only this type of circle in that body, and then after do brown color. But before brown color you just apply that yellow color in that picture, because when you start coloring with brown, then after you are not able to do proper that yellow color. So first one you apply that yellow color, and then you can do that brown color with that circle. Okay, so circle and that giraffe's hair, do brown color, tail also, and then after that giraffe's leg you can do gray color. Okay, so this coloring scheme also you can do as it is, which picture is given here, so that only you can follow. And background you don't do any color. Okay, so leave as it is and just do outline also with black color. So now this drawing also finished. So this is drawing about pattern in nature. Okay, so this is nature pattern, and you can see children, this is one tiger. Okay, so here is also so many strip design. So this is also one type of example for nature drawing. So this is pattern on nature, and that the tiger drawing is very good. Color scheme is there, like yellow and orange shade is there. Then after you can do a black strip on that body. Okay, so I hope you understood about that color scheme and drawing. So all children, just keep it in your mind, that is two types of pattern drawing there. One is a man-made pattern and second is a pattern in nature. Okay, so now I also want to share one video with you that is drawing about pattern. Okay, so you also can learn from there. So just we go through that the video. Okay, so all the best and keep learning well. Okay, God bless you.